gotta go. Maybe not. There's a musher. Are you tired yet? Are you tired? All right, go potty. Go potty. Gotta go potty one more time? Go ahead. Go. Gotta go potty? Go. Oh yeah, she'll nap after this. Come on.
Where'd she go?
Keep an eye on the flying orange. Have you had enough? She really needs to run.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Maddie?
One more time. You really got to watch because she really could send you flying. Hey, don't run some more. Come on, one more run. No, hey, come on, Maddie. Maddie, come on. One more. One more. Come on. No, not there. Here. Hey, this way. Doggy. Maddie. What are you doing? Maddie, get out of there. Come on. It's going to get too cold for you. Come on. Okay. What a good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. What a nice pose.